For property, it depends on the world economy, on Malaysian economy, on how stringent the bank going to be.
Right.
To us, we are ready. Stock. We have stock. We are processing the stock. I mean, we do the development as usual. It depends on how individuals can get their loan. That is our property. The rest is more on doing whatever we're supposed to do. That's why maybe we can survive. As you say, I got small piece of land here and there. To ease my cash flow, I can sell.
Right.
So it's not something frightening to me.
Right.
I always look positive because we have things that we can put into liquid to help the company going on. Still, I can float the company.